Introducing the Acer Nitro 5AN5155779TD gaming laptop, a powerhouse designed to dominate the game. With its 11th Gen Intel Core i7-11800H processor, this gaming laptop is packed with incredible power to deliver an exceptional gaming experience. Featuring the latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050T GPU, enjoy incredible graphics and performance with support for ray tracing and DirectX 12 Ultimate. Immerse yourself in game worlds with the 15.6 inches FHD IPS display, offering full HD detail, a 144 Hz refresh rate, and an 80% screen-to-body ratio. Experience smooth gameplay and fast load times with 8GB DDR4 memory and a 512GB NVMe SSD. Prioritize your gameplay with Killer Doubleshot Pro, allowing you to use Wi-Fi and Ethernet simultaneously for maximum speed and control. Stay cool under pressure with Acer Cool Boost technology, increasing fan speed and improving thermal performance by 25%. Take control of your gaming laptop with NitroSense UI, allowing you to monitor component temperature, fan speed, power plan, and more with the touch of a button. And with its sleek design and backlit keyboard, this laptop is as stylish as it is powerful. Whether you're a casual gamer or a seasoned pro, the Acer Nitro 5AN5155779TD gaming laptop is the ultimate gaming companion. Get yours today and experience gaming like never before. Short link: https://amzn.to/3v00